Hello everyone, it's Malik from Remetech Enterprise and welcome to your third Java tutorial. Now in the previous two videos we talked about how we can download and install the JDK file and the IntelliJ IDEA on our PC. It's now time to talk about the core programming concept in Java, which is called classes. If possible, we'll write our first Hello World program. Now, classes in Java is simply a template for creating objects. What do I mean by that? Let me give you a real life example. Let's say you play the jackpot and you won 10,000 US dollars, and you use that money to purchase a land very close to Best Western Hotel in Springwood here in Texas, very close to Walmart. Now the first thing you need to do is to go meet an architect, and the architect now will give you a design for the house you want to build. Now with that design you can model your house. Without that design, I don't know what the hell you're going to be doing. So it's the same way classes worked in Java. Now, in Java, everything begins with a class. You want to write any program, you have to start with a class. You also want to create method, you will need a class in Java. So in Java, just like designs are necessary to build a house, it's the same way classes are also necessary to write any program. So how do you write a class? The first thing we need to do is to create a new project, because we've not done anything on this IntelliJ IDEA before. So go to Maven. The project SDK is already version 11. We click on next, and my group ID, I have to create a group ID. I'll give it my name, Malik. I'll just copy and paste in. The project name is already my name. If I want it kept, I'll leave it, but I don't want it, so I'll just give a project name. I'll give it Hello World. When I'm done, I'll click on finished, and I'll close this tip of the day. I'll also enable auto import, which is important. I'll get to that as we move along in the video. Before we start doing any programming, it's important for us to know if the project structure is the same way we kept it. And how we do that is to go to File, go to Project Structure, and under Project, you check the project SDK is version 11. It's okay. The project language level is also on 11, local variable and syntax for Lambert parameters. I explained this in the previous video. Then the next thing you need to go to is your models. So when you get to your models, the language level should be version 5, which is enum keywords, Synetic and Octoboxing. So once you have all that checked and in place, you click on OK. Now it's now time for us to create our class. So how we create our classes, you need to go to this Hello World folder over here, the project name we created. So you click on this drop down arrow here and go to source. We click on main, then you right click on this Java folder. You right click. I'm showing you how you can create a class. Then you go to new and you go to Java class. It's important to know that in Java, every class you create has to have a name, and the name of the class has to begin with a capital letter. It's very important you know that. So I'll click on Java class, and I'll give my Java class a name, and I'll call that name Hello World. Hello World. If you just did this, you just created a class. Now in Java, any code you're writing or any method or object you're writing has to be inside this class. That's within this curly braces. So like I said earlier on, without classes in Java, then there is no Java. Without having a design for your house, then I don't know what the hell you're going to be doing. So classes is very important in writing Java program. Now after creating our class Hello World, which is the name of the class, the next thing we're going to be doing is to create what is called a method. Now a method in Java simply means a recipe on how you can create something. Now let's say you went to a big shopping mall, let's say Walmart, and you bought a noodles. At the back of the noodles, you're going to see lists of steps on how you can prepare the noodles. Now this list of steps on how you can prepare the noodles can also be called method on how you can prepare a noodle. So let's create a method on how we can prepare our noodles. So what I'll need to do is to type void noodles. Now this thing over here is called the method name. Every method must have a name. So I'm preparing the noodles, so I just gave it a name called noodles. Now the first thing I'll need to do when I want to prepare my noodle is to what? Bring a pot. Alright, bring a pot. The next thing I'll need to do is to break noodles. Next off, I'll pour water into my pot. That's pour water into pot. Next off, I'll pour noodles into pot. Pour noodles. Oh, sorry. Then after that, I'm gonna put pot on fire. I'm just giving you an example. It's not that this is correct. So all this I wrote over here is what is called a method body. Now the method body plus the method name gives me what is called a method. The method name is called noodles. The method body gives me the steps on how I can prepare my noodles. So everything together gives me what is called a method. Now in Java, program execution starts from the main method. Once you click on run on your Java program, the first thing Java does is that it looks for a method called main and starts executing from there. Once it doesn't find the method called name, it has no idea of where to start. So let's go ahead and write the main method in Java. So just write public static void main, and in this bracket you type in string argx with your square bracket, then the curly braces. Now this is a main method written in Java. Now all the stuff right here, I'm gonna explain this as we move along in the video. It's very important, so just follow me along and show you will understand that in no distance time. So this is a basic main method in Java with a method name called main. Now that we have this main method created, we would like to give it an instruction. We want it to print something on the screen. Just go ahead and write system dot out dot println. I'll type hello, welcome to my world. Now this print line is simply an inbuilt method in Java that allows you print a line. And the reason why I have this system.out.println is that you can actually, println is actually a versatile keyword. You can actually print line to a database, you can print line to your network or something, but right now we are printing to our system. So once you have this method written, you can then run your program. You can go over here and click on run hello world. So here you have it, hello, welcome to my world. You can also go inside here where you have the code, right click and click on run hello world main. You have it here, hello, welcome to my world. Now the reason why I recommended IntelliJ IDEA is that it is very smart. Instead of writing all this bunch of public static void main and start cramming on the code, which is very difficult, we can use what is called some shortcuts in IntelliJ IDEA. I can go ahead and delete this, and instead of writing public static void main, I can write PSVM and press enter. It's still the same thing. It means public static void main string args. This is the beauty of IntelliJ IDEA. Now, instead of me using system.out or print line, I can use SOUT and press enter. It still gives me the same thing, system.out.println. It calls the print line, which I said earlier on that it is an inbuilt method that is used in Java to print a line to your system. And I'll type in welcome, or let's say hello, welcome to my world. I can also use SOUT again, SOUT, press enter. I use my name is Malik. SOUT again. I am a man. And when I'm done with that, I'll press right click on this, and I'll go to run hello world main. So yeah, you have it. Hello, welcome to my world. My name is Malik. I am a man. Still the same thing over here. Run. Hello, welcome to my world. My name is Malik. I am a man. So once you've done this, congratulations, you've created your first Java program. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my page, and click on the bell icon over there to get new notification each time I upload any new video. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.